There's a light shining bright from the heart of Zanzibar, where the dream begins and it travels near and far.
Softly in, backward bass calling, we answer the sound, teaching the teachers